Stuck trying to log into Yahoo Mail on your desktop? Can't find the sign-in button? Here's exactly how to get into your inbox in under a minute. We'll walk through opening your browser, going to the right URL, and entering your credentials step by step. By the time we're done, you'll be looking at your inbox and wondering why it ever felt complicated. So let's start with the obvious first step. Open whatever web browser you use on your computer. Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge. It honestly doesn't matter which one. Yahoo Mail works on all of them. Just double-click that browser icon and wait for it to load up. If you already have a browser window open, you can just use a new tab for this. Now, in the address bar at the top of the window, type in mail.yahoo.com and hit enter. That's mail.yahoo.com. This is the official Yahoo Mail website, and it's the only URL you need. I've seen people get confused by search results or old bookmarks, so make sure you're on the actual Yahoo Mail page. Alright, so once the page loads, you might see a sign-in screen right away. But sometimes Yahoo shows you the main Yahoo homepage instead, especially if you haven't logged in recently. If that happens, just look in the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Sign In. Go ahead and click that. Now here's where you actually log in. You'll see a field asking for your Yahoo email address, your username, or even your mobile phone number. Any of these work. Just type in whichever one you use to sign in. And here's a quick tip. If you're using an old Yahoo email address that you haven't accessed in years, make sure it's the right one. I've had people accidentally try logging in with an old AOL address or something, and that won't work here. Once you've typed that in, click the Next button. This tells Yahoo to look up your account and get ready for the next step. Now you'll see a field for your password. Type it in carefully. Passwords are case-sensitive, so watch your caps lock key. That's a super common mistake. If you're worried about typos, most browsers let you click a little eye icon to peek at what you've typed. Use that if you need to. When you're sure your password is correct, click either Next or Sign In. Different versions of Yahoo might show one or the other, but they do the same thing. Just click whichever button is there. Now, depending on your account, Yahoo might ask you to complete a verification step. This could be entering a security code sent to your phone or another email address, or it might ask you to confirm some personal details. This is a security feature, so don't worry. It means Yahoo is trying to protect your account. Just follow the on-screen instructions. If you're asked for a code, check your phone or your backup email for that code, type it in, and click Verify. Once that's done, give Yahoo a moment to load your mailbox. This might take a few seconds, especially if your inbox is full or you have a lot of emails. Just be patient while it loads, and there you are. You're now in your Yahoo Mail inbox. You can see all your emails, send new messages, and manage everything right from here. That was pretty straightforward, right? So the next time you need to log in, just remember, open your browser, go to mail.yahoo.com, and follow those same steps. It'll feel like second nature before you know it.